Hi, we're going to hear from the Archangel Uriel, or Uriel, a little bit closer to the angelic language. Uriel means God is my flame, or the flame of God. Some interpret it to be the light of God. And I relate to the flame for Uriel. As most of you know, for decades of my angelic awakening experience, even teaching, I was never allowed by the angels to go research or read any books, any other books, or even Google anything. And I think it's because I would have perhaps doubted my own experiences. So everything I had to go direct. And that, of course, taught me to go direct. And what I really love about that is it taught me to empower you, others, to go directly to Spirit. Of course, we want to be informed by beautiful books and even the internet and teachers, of course. And at the end of the day, you are the only authority on how God comes to you, Spirit, the numinous, higher power, etc. So Uriel, I saw as the alchemist angel, that which it turns lead into gold, turns the dross, the physical, into the spiritual. So of course that's symbolic for spiritualizing the physical, wherein everything that occurs on this crazy, difficult, occasionally annoying planet can be utilized for our spiritual advancement. If you would like to see the higher perspective, the gold of all that occurs, call upon Uriel, or Uriel if you prefer. And the reason I like the interpretation of God as my flame, or the flame of God, is, to me, Uriel comes in and burns up that which is less than godly, that which is less than love, that which in our mind directs us to that which is contractive rather than expansive, rather than trusting, rather than walking in beautiful faith. So if you would have an attitude adjustment, call upon Uriel, the flame of God. Thank you.